Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gauge 3 Designs and I am back with another episode. Today I'm working on a rendering. This is just a close-up of a living room space, just a simple couch with a floor light and portrait behind it. But I'm going to go ahead and add some Thea Render 2.0 materials, wood flooring. We're going to give this baseboard some texture, also give the wall some texture. Just add texture to everything to come out with a good rendering. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first I think I'm going to start with the floor. So I went ahead and I did a rendering with no texture to it, and you see it's mostly white. I usually start with a blank canvas to add my materials. So let's go ahead and add something to the floor. So I want to do wood, so I'm going to go to the online repository and check out some wood flooring. I really like this here. Let's give this a shot. Let's see what it looks like. It came in as a component, so I need to go in and all right. So as a rendering, let's see what kind of floor we got going on. Ooh, I like that. Nice. And I love how the lights coming in, um, spreading across the floor, and it's kind of barely hitting the couch. I think that's going to be a good look once we add the texture to it. Let's try this white flooring here. Let's compare the two. I like the pattern of this. The pattern is really nice. It's really bright. No, it's not bright, but actually, okay, I really like this because of the pattern. The pattern kind of wins me over. And it's not all one shade. You notice like it's more white here, like a light gray, and then you have a dark gray, then a light gray, then a dark gray, and the pattern is actually pretty nice. So I think I'm gonna go with that one. Let's work on the couch. So I'm gonna make these a polished metal. Um, or we can just go up to materials and go to metal and do like a silver or stainless steel. Let's go with stainless steel. See if we can what that looks like. I think where the light is hitting it, it'll look nice. Yeah, it came in here. And we can try some different metals. Some metals shine a little brighter than others. And with the floor being light, I want to go dark with the couch, and I do want to go with leather. So let's try, let's go ahead and go all the way dark and let's try black. Cloth and leather. And then we have our leather shine, we have our basic leather, and we have our soft leather. Let's go with the shine. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, it's cool, it's decent. Um, you know what I don't really like? I don't really like that the couch is so like boxy and there's no definition in it. There's no because when it comes to renderings, be able to create a realistic rendering, you kind of have to have a lot of detail. And then this couch really doesn't have much detail. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to 3D Warehouse and try to find a couch. Um, so let's do that real quick. Okay, so now we have a different couch, and if you look at this couch, it has more details. So first of all, if you look at the cushions, you can see the creases and things like that. That stuff is important when it comes to doing renderings. If you want a realistic rendering, you want to have a lot of detail. Things like just putting in a baseboard, making sure your flooring has nice realistic patterns. realistic bumps, things like that. You want to make sure you have realistic detailing going on to get a realistic rendering. Like I said before, the previous couch was just it's just too boxy. Um, and these couches are like that. I've seen these as a chair. Actually, we have them in our office. We have a chair like this in our office. But if you look at it closely, there is some fine detailing in there to show some a little wrinkles here and there and creases here and there, and that stuff is important when it comes to realistic renderings. So we're going to add the same texture to this couch, and we'll see the difference. All right, let's go ahead and render it. I'll get the pillows later, and I'll do those a different color. But let's compare couches with the same texture. So if you can see, we'll let it render a little more. Just compared to what the other couch was giving off, oh, this couch is a lot better. If you're familiar with Rhino, or if you've ever used Rhino, Rhino is perfect for creating furniture and couches and things with just high detail and waves and curves. I love Rhino. I think actually I'm gonna do more tutorials on Rhino. I've created a couple things, couple couches and things in Rhino, but but yeah. So something like this is a lot better. And let me give credit to the person who created this couch. So I got it from 3D Warehouse. So Samantha Decoration. Um, I found this on 3D Warehouse. This is a great couch, great rendering. Great detailing, and it helps make a very realistic rendering. So let's continue. So I want to add textures here, and I kind of like the lighter color on top of the black leather. So let's see. Let's go to online repository and go to cloth. So the smaller pillows will do this texture. Colors here with the pillows, it kind of plays with the flooring a little bit, which I like. So let's go ahead and give this a rendering. Yeah, I really like how that leather looks on that couch. It looks really nice. Nice. And again, look at the detailing. Look at the detailing in the pillow. This helps tremendously when you're trying to do a realistic rendering. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add some texture to this floor lamp. Um, I want to do a metal here, but for the base, I think I want to do like a black metal. So let's go ahead and add that texture. So I'll just go to material, not liking that. Let's try a gray. Okay, I like the gray a lot better. I will say that. Oh, nice, 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 nice. And you can see the emitter there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cast the light down and just aim it towards the couch to give it a little more light shining on it. But we don't want to take away from what the natural light is giving us. So I'll be careful to do that. Let's go to light, IES light. And I'll just cast it downward of maybe this way. Let me make sure I'm at the right angle. Yeah, something like that is fine. Nice, a lot better, a lot better. So in the final rendering, you'll be able to see how this couch with its detail, it makes it look a lot better than the previous couch that we had before that was just square, flat, no detailing. It's better to have detailing in your drawings. This flooring looks wonderful. I like it. I like the baseboard and I like the gray wall and the picture. Um, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.